Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate a video in CapCut. To rotate a video in CapCut, launch the CapCut app open on your phone. Now, tap on the New Project button to start editing. Choose the video you want to rotate from your gallery and then tap on Add at the bottom right. Soon after you add the video in your timeline, tap on the video layer in order to bring up the editing option. Now from the menu that appears at the bottom of the screen, tap on Transform. Now, click on Rotate inside the Transform menu. Each tap rotates the video by 90 degrees clockwise. Tap until your video is in the desired orientation and tap on the play button to make sure your video looks perfect after rotation. Once you're happy, tap on Export at the top right corner, choose your desired resolution and save the video in your device's gallery. Now you know how you easily rotate videos in CapCut and give your content the right orientation. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.